Good morning. Installation of a license plate, light, and mount bracket on a Duramag body. Remove the two screws out of the mount. Here. Put mount underneath the reverse light. Take a pencil, mark underneath the body, remove mount down, drill 2 1/4-inch holes for installation. Then take flat-headed screwdriver, gently remove rear brake light to get access. Once your holes are there, install the license plate, mount, and bracket up into position. Drill an 1/8-inch hole through the backside to run your wire through. Once you have the light out of the way and you have the wires exposed inside, the brown wire is your parking light wire. Take the wire that comes from the light through the 1/8-inch hole, and what you're gonna do is cut the brown wire. We are sending you a heat shrink connector. Install the heat shrink connector on the brown wire with the license plate wire attached. Crimp both ends. Gently apply heat. We'll shrink this, put a waterproof connection in it. Install the grommet back into the back of the body and pop the light back in and apply a little amount of silicone around the hole that you put the wire through the back, and that should complete your license plate mount, light, bracket install. Thank you.